Imagine a world where machines can understand and generate human language with near-perfect accuracy. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of modern transformer architectures. But how do these models actually work? What makes them so powerful, and what challenges still lie ahead? Let's dive deep into the technical heart of transformer research, exploring innovations that are reshaping AI. Before transformers, sequence modeling relied on recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and long short-term memory, LSTM, networks. These struggled with long-range dependencies and parallelization. Enter the transformer, introduced in 2017 by Vaswani et al., which replaced recurrence with self-attention mechanisms. This allowed models to weigh relationships between all tokens in a sequence simultaneously, enabling parallel computation and capturing global context. At its core, the transformer uses query, key, and value matrices to compute attention scores, transforming raw input into contextualized representations. Let's break down self-attention. For each token, the model generates three vectors: query, key, and value. The attention score between two tokens is the dot product of their query and key vectors, scaled by the square root of the key dimension. This score determines how much focus a token should have on another. These scores are softmax normalized and multiplied by the value vectors to produce the final output. This mechanism allows the model to dynamically prioritize relevant information, whether it's a noun phrase, a verb, or a contextual clue. Scaling transformers to massive sizes, like GPT-3 or Switch Transformers, introduces computational and memory bottlenecks. Traditional dense attention mechanisms have quadratic complexity, making them impractical for long sequences. Researchers have tackled this with sparse attention, where each token only attends to a subset of others, or with factorized attention, decomposing the attention matrix into smaller components. Another breakthrough is the mixture of experts (MOE) approach, where different parts of the model specialize in specific tasks, reducing compute costs while maintaining performance. Recent work has pushed beyond standard attention. For example, axial attention splits sequences into smaller, manageable chunks, reducing complexity. Parameter-efficient methods like LoRA, low-rank adaptation, fine-tune models by adding small, trainable matrices instead of updating all weights. Meanwhile, research into sparse training and pruning techniques has shown that models can retain accuracy with significantly fewer parameters. These innovations are critical for deploying models on edge devices or in resource-constrained environments. Looking ahead, the focus is on efficiency, interpretability, and generalization. Researchers are exploring hybrid architectures that combine transformers with convolutional or graph-based methods. There's also growing interest in lifelong learning, where models continuously adapt without catastrophic forgetting. Meanwhile, ethical considerations, like reducing energy consumption and bias, are driving new directions in model design. The transformer isn't just a tool, it's a foundation for the next era of AI. Transformers have revolutionized AI, but their journey is far from over. From self-attention mechanisms to sparse training, each advancement brings us closer to systems that understand and interact with the world as humans do. If you're curious about the latest research, check the links below for papers on sparse transformers, MOE architectures, and more. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring the cutting edge of AI.